Carboxylic acid have higher boiling point than alcohol of comparable molecular masses. Okay, first I will give you a detailed answer, then a statement answer. Boiling point depends on intermolecular interactions. Now, if you check alcohol and carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid, you can see that between carboxylic acid molecules and between alcohol molecules, hydrogen bond is there. Now, which hydrogen bond is more stronger? Let us have a look. See, if you check carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid molecules, here you can see hydrogen bond will be there, right? Here also hydrogen bond will be there. So you can see more than one hydrogen bond is there, right? We call it as extensive hydrogen bond. Okay, the hydrogen bond exists between ethanoic molecules are very strong, so that these molecules exist as a single unit. Two molecules stay as a single unit. We call it as dimer. Very strong hydrogen bond exists between the molecules. Now, between alcohol molecules, again strong hydrogen bond is there, but weaker than this case. Okay, so which hydrogen bond is stronger? This one. So what happened? Boiling point is greater for carboxylic acid or ethanoic acid than the ethanol. And this is your statement answer. Carboxylic acid have higher boiling point than alcohol of comparable molecular masses because they form dimers through extensive hydrogen bonding between two carboxylic acid molecules.